like, well, listen, you work better at the end. And we said, no, you're missing out on the stroke. So what we need to do is just do it slightly slower, so that we give everyone time to recover and time to breathe. So it's not 1, 2, it's 1, 2, 1.
Also, keep in mind that if we go super fast, it may seem that we can throw faster. But we don't have time to actually put the body far away.
But then, towards the end, I was looking back and I saw nobody was doing this. Everyone was doing this. So we weren't really pulling down.
We have time to everybody wants to keep it up.
Yeah, but remember, this is like moving a train. It's a very heavy boat. So at the beginning, we put a lot of strength. Then it's very important we don't slow it down.
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
Recording him?
Come on, cook the lunch faster. 1, 2.
There you go again now.
But imagine you have somebody like you're pitching over the phone, you have somebody on the drum. 1, 2. Slightly.
It should be drum roll.
It will be. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right arm across.